Joe, why are you still here?
Hey, how's it going?
It's really late.
Yeah, I went through all of the dates, the whole bag. I got the year for each and every one of them. I know it took long, but I did it.
Yeah, so, the year, I kind of actually needed the month. So if you could go through them all again and get the month instead, forget about the year. Yeah, just get the month. That'd be great.
What do you mean? You want me to go through the bag at every single date again and get the month instead? Well, thankfully, Power Platformers, we don't have to do that. Thank you for joining me, FloJo, on another Power Platform video. Today, we are going to be looking at the month formula in PowerFX, which will automatically do this for you. So let's jump into it. The month formula is a simple function that is used to extract the month from a date. This formula is especially useful when you're working with large data sets and you want to extract specific information from the dates, such as the month. The formula works by taking a date or date-time value and returning the numerical value of the month that corresponds to that date. For example, if you have a date value of January 1st, 2023, the month formula will return 1 as it returns the numerical value of the month, and of course January is the first month, so it returns 1. Using the month formula is very easy. Simply type month, then add parentheses, and pass the date or date time between those parentheses. As our example earlier, if we pass January 1st, 2023 into the month formula, it would return 1, representing the numerical value of January, as it's the first of 12 months. The month formula can provide several benefits. Firstly, it saves a lot of time and effort from working with large data sets, as we saw in our little comedy sketch earlier, as well as it allows you to not do it manually. You don't have to manually extract the month. Additionally, the formula can make your data analysis more accurate and consistent, and it ensures that all date values are being analysed by a month-to-month basis. This can be especially useful when comparing data between different months or looking at trends over time. So there you have it, a closer look at Microsoft's PowerFX formula for month. Although it may seem like a simple function, it can make a big difference in your data analysis workflows, especially saving time. Extracting a month from a date can be incredibly useful in data analysis. When dealing with large data sets that can contain date values, it can be helpful to break down the date by month to gain insights into trends and patterns. For example, if you were analysing sales data over the course of a year, you may want to see how the sales fluctuate on a month-to-month basis to identify which months are the busiest and which are the slowest. By extracting the month from each date value, you can easily group the data by month and visualize it in a way that's meaningful and actionable. The best bit is the month formula retrieves it for you, so you don't have to do it manually.